Guess what? We just discovered a completely fresh and new software that pays you $10 in 30 seconds for completely free. Now, usually they pay out $8 consistently, and your earning potential is unlimited. Today is your lucky day because we're going to be teaching you how you can earn all the time and no matter where you're from, too. This method is a very quick and simple method that we've discovered, and it's perfect to use as we near the end of 2021. We're going to be showing you the best websites to make money for you so fast. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. The first app or website that we're going to be talking about today is called Ibotta.com. This website has paid over $1 billion to their users or members, and that is a lot of money. A lot of money that you most definitely will want. So how this website works is that the first thing is you need to get the app. Then you're going to find various offers, and lastly, you'll be paid. It's that easy. And everything on here is free as well. Now, there is one mistake in particular that everyone we know who isn't watching today's video makes. And because of this mistake, they're unable to make that $8 every 30 seconds repeatedly. And that's because you're only supposed to use one thing in specific on this app so that it'll work the way that we promised you. Now Ibotta is basically a cashback app. As you can see, discover multiple ways to earn cash back online and in-store at nationwide retailers. Groceries, clothing, pet supplies, these are the purchases you make every day. When you shop with Ibotta, you'll earn cash back whenever you shop, both online and in-store. All you need is your mobile phone or your computer. Don't worry, you're actually not doing any of that, and that's also not how you're going to make money through this website either. Now, this website is still great to use when you want to save money, don't get me wrong, but it won't be the main focus of today's video because we're not talking about being able to save money by spending. We mean this video to help you earn money by doing absolutely nothing. That's what we want. Now, a little background about this website though. When you actually sign up, you can get up to $20 welcoming bonuses, which is absolutely insane. Now, the best thing is that you can actually do this from both your smartphone and your computer, which we've already mentioned earlier. So there really is no excuse for you not to do what we're teaching you to do right now. There is also a Chrome extension for this website, so you don't need to keep linking and syncing. It will automatically apply to your purchases as long as you have the Chrome extension, which is just awesome. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know. So make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. This website has already also partnered with huge names, so need we really say more? Now, to be able to finally earn money the way that we told you to, we want you to scroll down to the most bottom part of the page, look under Work With Us, and select on Affiliates. Now, before you guys say anything, we know, but let us remind you that affiliate methods are the best and quickest ways to get cash as soon as you need it. And also in the most minimal way possible, with the most minimal work in the whole industry. And like we always say, the more websites that we find for you that do cater to affiliate marketing, we want to share it with you because that means more opportunities for you. These days, it's so hard to find websites that haven't sectioned out their affiliate strategy yet because a lot of people are catching on. So this is just an additional website to add to your guys' earnings. We will never not share affiliate websites with you guys because we know these are rough times and we do what we can to get what we can. So just think of this as another great opportunity. It's just one of the many that we already currently have and one of the many that's coming your way. So just trust us, continue watching, make sure you pay attention so that you can get what you came for. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. As soon as you click on affiliates, you should be taken to here. As you can see, earn extra cash as an Ibotta affiliate partner. Have a website, blog, or a media platform? We'd love to work for you. So what's there to expect? The Ibotta Affiliates program is an exclusive opportunity to earn extra cash when you feature Ibota offers and promotions on your website, blog to drive referrals. You receive $2 per referred registration. You have access to professional creative resources and high quality images. You can receive VIP newsletters featuring new Ibota offers that you can showcase. You can get full reports on earnings, conversion stats, and more. And you can also have fun incentives and exclusive opportunities to earn even more cash. Now, what does Ibota offer your audience? They offer real cash and earnings. Their users have earned over $1 billion, which we've already mentioned earlier. And you have access to thousands of offers and new name brand offers as well. And these are added every month in nearly every category, including grocery, apparel, kids, travel, electronics, you name it, they have everything. Now, how will you get paid? So you get paid directly by impact radius, and you get paid $2 for every user you refer directly from your website or your social channels. So on the first of the following month after sign up. Now, how do you get started as an Ibota affiliate? So first, you're going to click below to join our Ibota affiliates program, which is very fast and it is free. And once you're approved, you're going to get your own unique link to use on your websites and your social channels to start earning cash for your referrals. You can even track your performance, and to do this, they will provide you with a unique link that you can visit to track all your registrations and earnings. And again, more big names. Now, literally everything and anything you can ask for, you can find on this website. Now, to sign up, you just want to click on this button that should take you to here. As you can see, earn amount of dollars for each user that registers for Ibota. Now, in this part, they didn't put the amount of dollars you're gonna earn. Why? Because sometimes Ibota likes to raise the bar, so sometimes they increase their pay. So it's important that you keep track and make sure that you always have your eyes on your referrals. If you feel like your referrals aren't working anymore, get more referrals. So that's kind of how it works. So Ibota is a cashback app and rewards app that gives consumers a better way to save money when they shop. No matter what they're buying or where they're buying it, if they start with Ibota, they will receive cash back. Users can receive cash back at your local grocery store, Walmart, Target, Amazon, eBay, you name it, so much more. Now, fill up all that is asked of you, of course, to complete the sign-up process. And once you've signed up, you'll be able to finally get your unique link and then share it to the entire world. Share it to Facebook groups, all of your group chats, Twitter, Instagram, and even forums, and literally watch money come in bulks that you've never seen before. And that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.